Little John?
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, we talked about my house.
What? I forgot what year.
On Thanksgiving or something like that thing.
Where was it?
On Olive. Yeah. Yeah, we talked.
Oh,
I had a family thing going on.
Was it down by Kansas College?
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
I'm not good at counting silver.
Yeah, it is.
Could you help me count my change? I'm not good at counting silver.
Oh.
Can you help me count my change?
I don't know. What do you need?
I'm not good at counting.
So what do you need? Just to count it?
Yeah, to see how much there.
How much change you got? Like a lot?
Because I just got approved for my disability and it's spending on my card, but I can't really, go shopping until tomorrow at midnight. So somebody, they didn't have any yard work I could do, so they donated me 20 to get me started. And that leaves,
that's $1.
And that leaves me 20 short. So somebody gave me a bunch of silver.
That's $2?
Damn. And there's no way I'm gonna move. It's really can't be good. A quarter.
What? No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
What?
Yeah, it is.
That's a quarter? I've never seen that before.
Does it sit?
Oh, it's something else.
No, that is a quarter. Look at the back.
Here, you look at that.
Yep, it is.
That's some weird quarter. That's like an arcade coin or something like that. That's $3.
What is this?
That's $4.
$2 for quarters.
That's 25 cents. That's crazy. I'm gonna take a picture of that.
Why?
That's different for me. That's all. It's different from any of these. 4, 5. That's $5. That's $6. Put that in your pocket.
So far. Yeah, I did. I think I did. Yep.
That's 7.
Yeah. 7. Well, I don't need those pennies. I'll need a penny tank.
It's like 90. $7.90. This might be a quarter. I think
so altogether, I have just $7.
Yeah.
Man. So to make $10, I'm just going to need $3. Right?
Yeah. You can do it.
You know what?
I don't have any money. I'm broke.
I just need to call for my ride. Could I call for a ride, please?
Yeah.
Because they always, he lives down by the 306 5918. Can you take it off for the Bluetooth?
Take it off?
Yeah, please.
For the speaker?
Yeah. Thank you.
Is it ringing?
Huh? Yeah.
Oh. That bus was so loud.
He was jamming.
She's probably not going to recognize that number.
They know I ain't got a phone yet.
No.
They know
I probably got to call again, huh?
Hang on. I'm sorry, yeah, it takes me a couple of times.
Yeah, I'm working with you.
Hey, I'm getting ready to be at the smoke shop on Kimbrough. Can you give me a ride down to the smoke shop on Kimbrough?
I don't know what that's at.
I do, that way.
Okay.
They cheap, then I can bail. I'm $3 short of 10. Dang it.
Where am I going?
Just go straight. Oh, we got a jam. Hey, I like loud music. I haven't got to jam like at all.
Oh, am I going to that gas station?
No.
No?
I'll show you.
I don't know. I just save music and it says right there, futuristic and oxygen.
So what kind of music do you like?
Anything? Not upbeat, girlfriend music?
Okay, how about 50 Cent?
Yeah.
You know 50 Cent?
Uh-huh.
Can you play the song, Just a Little Bit? Can you play that one?
Well, it's not mixed. You know?
You can type it in on your YouTube.
The way I'm crushing through these walls, make way for the juggernaut. Yes, I'm coming right through and I'm breaking y'all. Come get some, take your blouse.
I think you can get through. You'll have to go around.
Right?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm still on the grind and I pay my dues.
Woo, it's smoking.
Woo!
He's smoking it.
I'm coming like a cannonball, everybody move. Get out my way. Before I'm done, somebody gotta pay ya. Come make my day. Somebody gotta catch it in the vein, it's major. Watch what you say. I'm banging boondocks to the death of a hater. Buckshot don't play. Famous last words on the breath of a trainer.
Before I get out, you have to jam now.
What?
Yeah, please.
Where am I going?
I'm taking
watching fakers
this
buckle.
mugshot
Can't
now.
stop this
Oh.
paper hustle. And if I'm lying, run and go tell these bitches I'm a monkey's uncle. Up against the wild, wild. Up against the wild, wild. Up against the wild, wild. Watch it, wild. I'm a cannonball, wild. I'm a cannonball, wild. Up against the wild, wild. Watch it, wild. Up against the wild, wild. Up against the wild, wild. Up against the wild, wild. Watch it, wild. I'm a cannonball, wild. I'm a cannonball, wild. Up against the wild, wild. Watch it, wild. I'm ripping through your skin like an animal. Shit up like a cannonball. I keep up all that bitches out just like I said. I'm falling you in my mouth. Spit it like a cannonball. Giving the rocks, these rappers that cross them, making the rocks that cost. And I'm fucking with us, cause I leave them out in the lyrical dots. They keep it running right back to the kids they trust in. Rappers nowadays look silly. Cause I'm open up my mouth like a filly. Half pud, half stick, ghetto billy. And I'm running circles around them like Areola long titties.
Yeah,
bad with the pistol like I am with the pen. Every day same story and the story never ends. Like fuck this life, I ain't got no friends. Got nothing on, take his hand popcorn. Sky high, top gun, trying to kill this fight. Better be shot.
You'll go left.
The street to left?
Yeah.
Think about what you gon' do that for. Ain't got but one shot, so you better be sure. I'm a bad boy shit. 190 proof. Try to beat, and I'ma rock this booth. Spit the fire, make you try that roof. Until you're all cool, man, cool. Cause the truth better run out. Shit don't stink. Bad motherfucker, give a fuck what you think. Full blown rebel with the ride in my tank. And I leave it in the plate. Bring it, put a plate.
Turn it up.
Yes,
So wild, wild. It's so wild, wild. It's so wild, wild. Watch it, wild. I'm a cannonball, wild. I'm a cannonball, wild. It's so wild, wild. Watch it, wild. Up against the wild, wild. Up against the wild, wild. Up against the wild, wild. Watch it, wild. I'm a cannonball, wild. I'm a cannonball, wild. Up against the wild, wild. Watch it, wild.
Hello, how y'all doing now? Walked in and I'm bound to know. Bad dude with some smooth game, so be careful bringing me around your home. Every single verse I rip it too. Only rap about this shit I do. If you see me at the gathering, you probably know I'm sipping shrooms. Came in like everybody else. Felt the same, so I changed it. Didn't want to be another one of these rappers rapping about the same shit. Hey, Buckshot, I ain't got many friends. You one of the few, I consider one of them. And that's the reason these two crazy ass white boys are on the same track again. People say that my style's contagious. People say my style's outrageous. Still keep twisting on my playlist.
Right here?
Yep.
good, baby. Man, I swear to God, that night was crazy.
Are you busy at all?
Yeah, I'm gonna go play my game.
I'm gonna go ahead and get the same cash in and
people all want to be my friends. Guess I sold some records now.
happy to walk over.
Okay.
I'm glad I got to see it.
Yeah, have a good one.